Aloha. Today I'm going to focus on a repair for a vinyl record jacket. And this is just a random album. It's a Hawaiian album, and they play ukulele on it, as well as other instruments. But in this particular video, I'm going to focus on the edges here, which are lightly worn from going in and out of the record shelf or in a record crate, and you can see it all around the edges. Maybe here, up at the top here, on the corner. And I'm not going to make it perfect, but like I said, what are you going to do in Hawaii and you have extra time? You're going to do a video, and that's what I'm here for today. I am going to use this Sharpie permanent marker. I like this one in particular because it has a chiseled tip, and that chiseled tip will help me in being more accurate to get the edges. And again, this is just an improvement. This album in particular is no value to me, but I'm sure it is with somebody else. If you like your albums a little rough on the edges, then you don't have to do anything, and you could just put this in your record crate or on your record shelf. But if you want to improve it a little bit, that's what this video is about. So let's get on with it already. You get the tip, use your finger as a guide. I'm using the finger right there on the edge, and I'm putting this chisel tip on it, and I'm going to make a couple of passes, but as you can see, I'm trying to go slowly and try to be accurate. Again, I'm only trying to make improvements. I'm not trying to make it perfect. I don't know if you could hear that rooster in the background, but if you're wondering what in the world that is, well, we got roosters around here, and that's about the size of it. So again, and there's the back side of this album, and what I'm going to try to do is just get the very edge of it, like that. And again, I'm going to try to make an improvement. And again, this is just for the sole purpose of showing you an option. If you don't want to do this, that's fine. You can just watch this video. Hopefully you watch further videos, because I've learned a few things along the way, and I'm daily gathering more knowledge and information that I'd like to share with you. So please subscribe and like this channel. Share it with a friend that would appreciate something like this. If nothing else, just for the sheer amusement. I know this is not a professional production, but you know, it's just a backyard production. Backyard Productions present record repairs. And when I do this, especially on the spine of the album, I try to be mindful, because it'll have, you know, the name of the album or the particular artist, possibly some serial numbers, and or the record label. So I try to work around them, and I'm not trying to use the black marker on that. Try to just be really mindful, and I'm taking my time. I'm in no hurry. Got all the time in the world, and you know, just take your time. That's what you do in Hawaii. You just take your time. What's the hurry anymore? We're not on the mainland. Has anyone out there ever seen one of those bumper stickers that says, "Slow down already, we're not on the mainland anymore"? Well, it's true. This is a slower pace of life. Really enjoy it over here. Could not think of a better place to live. Especially so I could be able to show you some various album repair techniques and just talk story with you on a lazy Sunday afternoon. So anyway, as you could see, just making improvements. And this is not going to be perfect. And then when it's all said and done, you know, if you wanted, you could put it in a plastic 3mm sleeve. Put it on your shelf if you want. Or maybe you don't want to do that. Maybe you just want to watch this video. That's okay too. Yes, I understand that this is a permanent marker, and I understand that you know that now because I told you in the beginning. So just know that whatever you do, chances are it's going to be permanent. When we make choices in life, a lot of times they're permanent. So you just got to think about it first and then proceed forward with caution. Just like that. Just little stuff, you know. And you could take it to whatever degree you want to finish it or not. And yeah, I understand that this has stuff right here, but I'm not going to go that far. I'm not going to do all that. I was just trying to show you how you could just improve the edges a little bit. Not all albums are like that, but that's what I would do as an improvement to this album. And if you like this video, as I may have said in the past, and you'd like to see other types of repairs, maybe you have record jackets that are falling apart and you're trying to figure out how to seam them back together without making them look really bad, then check out my other videos, as well as post a comment. Let me know what you'd like to see in the future videos that I post. And if you've tried this, after watching this, let me know how it turned out. I'd like to hear about your experience on that. And there it is. Look, see, got the edge, looks better. I didn't go on this edge because it was a little chipped up and it had the name of the album and I didn't want to put the marker on there. But, you know, for the most part, that's what you could do as an improvement. And there you go. Hope you like this video, and I look forward to posting a new one. In the meanwhile, I'll just say to you, aloha and a hui ho.